Today it didn't feel like it was quite as hot, but you know, it's still technically summertime, so we do have some heat in the area, right?
Yeah, it's still a little warm. Slightly warmer than average, but you know, at least we don't have 3 numbers showing up on this high temperature map. We only have 2, folks, for all of the cities across East Texas. Upper 80s, Tyler Pounds Airport hit 90 degrees. It was 91 in Jacksonville. We were at 88 at the Cherokee County Airport. Crockett, Texas, you guys were at 91 degrees, clocking in at 90 degrees in your SFA in Nacogdoches. Here's Longview. Again, I don't have a lot in the forecast tonight as far as rain chances go, or even cloud cover for that matter. So plans for tomorrow morning looking A-OK. We are at 76 degrees. Winds are east-northeast, 3 miles per hour. Typically, this relative humidity value, it's a little higher, but it's at about 71%. So all in all, not looking too bad. And those dew points, as we've mentioned over the last couple of days, will continue to fall. Speaking of which, we are in the 70s and 80s area wide, and this is part of it, folks. I mean, when we do have those dew points that are falling into the 60s, these temperatures, they fall with the dew points, and that's good news. 73 in Gilmer, 72 in Dangerfield. We are at 78 in Overton. It's still 81 at Tyler Pounds Airport, but I would assume Tyler Pounds Airport, even if you live in Lindale, you guys are probably going to fall into the 70s within the next hour or so. More 70s the further south you go. Carthage, you guys are at 74. It's 76 in Rusk, Texas, 76 in Overton. We did hit 77 in Trinity. Low temperatures, I do expect area-wide we will be in the middle to upper 60s. High temperatures tomorrow afternoon should rebound into the lower 90s, so almost a copy-paste exact forecast based on what we had today, folks. Really not much of a change there. Area of low pressure continues to develop near Louisiana, and again, this is what brought us those rain chances, those afternoon storm chances over the last several days. But right now, since we are centered to the west of this area of low pressure, we get that dry continental air flowing in from the Midwest. It's not coming from the Gulf of Mexico this time, but it's coming from the Midwest. And when that happens, we do tend to see much drier air, and that's exactly what's going on. Now, if you're to the east of the low, it's a little bit of a different story. Showers and thunderstorms flowing into Florida, but that's pretty typical. So here's Friday's setup. The low not really moving anywhere. That's why it's almost a copy-paste forecast for us. We're just not going to see an improvement in rain chances. Saturday, very slim chance of rain in our eastern counties because the low will move a little further off to the north, and because of that, we're going to see more of a west to east flow rather than a northeast to southwest flow. So all in all, not looking too bad for us over the next couple of days. Looks like, you know, if you have those outdoor plans, we are going to be fine. Tropics, we do have a couple of things brewing. Danielle continues to move off the map here. Not expecting much from that one. Earl continues to intensify. We're still at a Category 2 hurricane, but I would say within 12 to 18 hours, this will become a Category 3. It's a strong Category 2 with 100-mile-per-hour winds. It would require 115 to get up to Category 3 strength. It's actually a lower number, but if it is upgraded, it would be up to 115 mile per hour before it would be upgraded to Category 3 strength. Low chance that this low develops off the coast of Africa here. A medium chance that this area in the central Atlantic Ocean develops, and still most of the long-range data isn't suggesting any impact from the tropics here in the U.S. So for a lot of cities along the coast, that's good news. Unfortunately, that does mean we will be dry, not only from what's going on with storm systems out to our west, but also the tropics out to the east here in East Texas. We will be in the 90s over the next several days for high temperatures. Upper 60s for overnight lows, and then as we look at deep East Texas, we're going to be in the 90s and then, of course, 60s, so pretty consistent there. For the latest weather forecast, you can head on over to fox51.com.